meal prep Sundays. You won't be seeing most of my face because La Mask. Now, Shea Moisture told me to keep it on for 10 minutes, but I don't listen, so it's going to be on till I'm done meal prepping for the week. I'm going to do like a tortilla wrap for each day for lunch. I'll pack some oatmeal, and then I'll probably have like meatball subs and rice and beans for the week. So we're going to cook the 5 tortillas that I'm going to need for my wrap this week. While my tortillas are frying, I got my rice going back there for my rice milk, for my oatmeal. I'm gonna mash up these garbanzo beans, add some seasoning to it. It's gonna be kind of like my faux meat in my wrap each day for lunch. Rinse and strain your beans. That's not soap, that's just like the aquafaba from the beans. It's easier to mash these when they're hot, so heat them up. I only heated it up in the microwave for a minute and it took seconds to mash these. So I'm gonna add my seasonings. I'm gonna do salt, cayenne, curry, black pepper, and garlic, and mix that mixture up and then put them in the tortillas. Seasonings added, but I'm feeling spicy, so I'm gonna add some sriracha hot sauce in there. Not a lot, just literally like, cause I'm not about that spicy life, so just a little bit. There we go. Each tortilla wrap is going to have avocado as a base for like a mayonnaise basically. And then fresh spinach, tomatoes, and the garbanzo mixture. Clearly I'm playing around with textures on my base. Some is like chunky smooth, some chunky smooth, chunky smooth, and then smooth. So now I'm going to add some fresh spinach to each wrap. Just added 2 tablespoons of the bean mixture per tortilla. I really wanted to slice the tomatoes, but I'm sure it'll be soggy by the end of the week. So I just did the 4 grape tomatoes per tortilla, and now I'm gonna wrap them and put them in their containers. Can of black beans for my dinner this week, because I'm gonna alternate rice and beans as well as meatball subs. All of my wraps are rolled, ready for their lids and be put to the side. Time to make my rice milk. I cooked it in water, of course, cinnamon and nutmeg. I do 8 tablespoons of rice and 2 to 4 cups of water. It depends how I'm feeling. This week I'm gonna do 3 cups of water. My 8 tablespoons or half a cup of rice added. It's still a little hot, so the container's like steaming. Then I'm gonna add my filtered water until we hit, I'm gonna go up to the 4. Actually, we're gonna do 5. The 5 cup mark, just because the rice is throwing it off on the balance. I start my milk on like the lowest setting and then I work my way all the way to high for about 6 minutes. While the milk is blending, sauteing my peppers and onions for my meatball subs for the week, as well as this can be added into my rice bean mixture. Alright, the milk is looking good. I'll put them in their little glass jars, seal them tight, throw it in the fridge for my oatmeal this week. Breakfast for the week will be oatmeal with some blueberries. I did 4 tablespoons of oatmeal per bowl. I did 3.5 tablespoons of frozen blueberry per bowl. And then I add agave. I really just pour the mixture till my tooth say, girl, that's too sweet. So it's usually like 4 pours, I guess. I don't know really how to measure that. A snack for the week, I usually do apples each day, but forgot to buy apples, so we're gonna do apples and bananas. Finally done. So breakfast for the week, oatmeal, 1 for each day. My lunch, the wraps each day, and then my snack after the wraps, bananas, apples. Dinner option 1 will be my meatballs. Vegan meat isn't really tasty when you just heat it up. cook it and then heat it up throughout the week. So I'm gonna cook these each day. Just throw them in the oven. It only takes like 20 minutes. I'm gonna do cheese on top of the roll, my pasta sauce. I love these jars. And then some sauteed peppers and onions. And then the roll. Every time I buy these pasta sauce jars, they're actually Mason jars. You see how it says Mason? I just take the label off and I reuse them. I use it for my milk, actually, containers. Which I love because it has measurements on the side, so I really like using these jars. Dinner option 2 this week is cooked rice, black beans, corn, the sauteed peppers and onions, slice of avocado with some spinach. Exactly an hour later, and now I can wash off my face mask.